Saturday evening, well, late afternoon, it's 5:30. As you guys can see, T-Bird left earlier in the week. I was gone Wednesday, Thursday for the most part. Well, I guess Thursday and Friday. I was awake Friday, but I was home Thursday handling family stuff. We got Kirk's car in here staying the night because it didn't want to behave. We put a Patronics in it today, and then basically discovered the plug wires are corroded to the studs in the cap, and then Kirk had a cap for the other type of wires. It's back there on the table. Frustrating. Anyway, so we got SL. We got some 2 for €1 fun sitting here. And now I'm off to go rescue Shelly again. Joy, fun and games.